Hey everyone, welcome to Matt's Lockpit. So, in my vice tonight, I've got my arch nemesis. This challenge lock right here. Daz Evers number 99. Mummied key. I've given this thing a good squeeze to see if I can reveal a bit in. It's not giving me any clues. So, a few of you might have heard me ranting and raving about this lock lately. I almost did a whipped by video on it, but I decided to do another Daz Evers lock instead. And, yeah, I think I've sussed it finally. So hopefully no whipping video. So that light's annoying as fuck. Sorry about that, guys. Not a lot I can really do about it at the moment, to be honest. I'm going to be going in with... I really need to find out what this fucking thing's called, to be honest, guys. It's from the Sparrow's Monstrum set. But I'm not sure what it's called. So I need to twist it up onto the warden. There we go, we've got a little bit of movement of 5. Nothing on 4, little click on 3, click on 2, and click on 1. So into the back again. So where I think I was going wrong with this lock, guys, pins number 4 and 5 are ridiculously hard to set. And I don't think I quite appreciated how high they needed to be set. So yeah, I don't think I was ever getting them set from the start, so... I'm gonna go for a reset there, guys. Won't let me twist up onto that warden. There we go. Right. A bit of give off 5 and 4 that time. Nothing on 3, click on 2, little click on 1. Click on 4 that time, 2 springy, click on 1, go into the back again. We are in a bit of a false set here, guys, but this is one of those locks that fights you the whole way. You've just got to take every little half a millimetre you can get and take it as a little win, and you will get there. So I'm not sure how Daz is getting to work at the moment, guys, because I'm pretty sure he swapped out the springs from his car and stuck them in this motherfucking lock. There we go, bit more core movement there. We are a little bit deeper now. Hopefully we're cooking. How long are we in? 3 minutes, oh that's good. I'll be chuffed if I can get it in under 5, I'll be honest with you. As I said, this thing has been my nemesis. So ease off a bit. I'm not sure whether I've overset number 3. See what that happens now. Just going to give these front ones a little tickle with an offset hybrid, see if that makes a difference. 1 feels good. Bang the camera there. Nice click off 2. 3 solid. I'm not sure whether I need to play with it or not, to be honest, guys. See if the Tron can do anything, guys. Oh, nice deep full set. That came off 3, I believe. Look how deep we are now, guys. Fingers crossed we've just got 1 pin left here. Lost that deep full set. struggling to get round on top of the warden. There we go, there's that full set back. Right, so I think we need to work off the bottom here, so gonna get out the old Daz Evers pick and see if it can happen like the last Daz Evers lock I picked. What is that, 4 there? Try a bit of cannual. Still got a full set. Let's have a feel here. Actually, I'm gonna go in with the offset hybrid to see if I can finish it. It's that back pin there. Hey, where's my full set gone? There, got my full set back. There we go, we got the open. Sorry I went quiet there, guys, but that's not actually how it's reacted the last few times I've picked it. But as you can see, we are motherfucking open. Happy days. Apologies that took a bit longer than necessary, but we can lock this back up now because I have the key and I finally earned the right to get rid of this mummifying. Awesome stuff. So Daz, my friend, that was an absolute honour to pick your number 99th lock. Over 100 challenge locks into this community now. Jesus Christ. That's absolutely phenomenal. Some of you may know I've actually had the honour of, how do I get it first? Doing a collaboration lock with Daz as well for his 100th. It's going to be amazing. We aim for it to be the most travel challenge lock out there. It's going to have a unique hashtag and stuff like that so we can keep track of it. And if I can get this to focus. I don't know what the hell's going on with my lighting tonight, guys. There we go. So yeah, the key's pretty much how I pictured it. As I said, the last two had to go right up there. I didn't realise they had to go quite that high. But let's see how this thing works. A little bit sticky there. Hang on. There we go. She is working. She's a little bit sticky. I'm not sure whether it's to do with the residue on the key, to be honest. But anyway, let's get this thing gutted. Enough dilly-dallying around. Chuck that down there. I don't know what the hell's going on with my lighting tonight, guys. I cannot figure it out. So, what do we need here? Ooh, she flew. It's alright, I can see her though. So, pan you up. Get the key in. We'll turn it in that way so the key pins are there. Got a feeling this is going to be tight with a shim. Hopefully that should be enough anyway. Fingers crossed. I'm going to use my long hollow follower to go over that back tail piece. Awesome stuff. Cool, so I can see some goodness there already. Let me get that to focus. Bring the key out. Lovely stuff. Alright, so I'll get these key pins out straight away. Number one. Nice serrated T-pin. Number 2, oof, multi serrations on that bad boy. Number 3, we've got like a tiered T-pin. Number 4, a beveled key pin. Number 5, right, that came out with number 6, I believe. Number 5 we look to be another beveled, and number 6 we've got a crazy 3-part pin and pin there, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. No wonder number 6 was so hard to get going. So if I can get that to focus. So we've got threading on all the way down 1, the top of 2, top of number 3, threading all the way down 4, undercutting on 5, and standard for 6. Really cool. So hang on, let's get that shim back in there a second. What the fuck is going on with my lighting? Just want to swap this. I don't like hollow followers. So let's see if I can swap this for a solid one. There we go. So X marks the front. Here we go. Let's have a look at the business end. This video's getting a touch long. So for the first driver we have, looks to be a drunken spool with a serrated bottom. Oh, very nice. And a little steel spring. Number 2, multi serrations, absolutely beautiful. A bit of a spool on it as well, and a little steel spring. Number 3, double serration, whoops. And a really strong but small, could be a lighter spring, that one, to be honest. Right, let's come on the other side. Number 6. Ooh, that's surprising. A standard. Wouldn't have guessed that. And a small steel spring. Number 5. Oof. We've got a very, very long pin and pin here. We'll have a close look at that in a second. And for a spring, we've got a little steel one. Ooh, looks like we might have undercutting on that 5th chamber as well. Number 4, last but not least, very long. Sorry, I didn't realise I wasn't on frame. Very long serrated pin. And the last spring is another one of those little lighter springs. Only small, but my god, they're strong. No, I was wrong. All standard in there. So wicked. I'll get you down on these pins real quickly, but I'll finish it up with a slideshow sort of thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the slideshow because we've got some absolutely gorgeous pins here. We've got a few pin and pins that you can't actually see from this position, so stay tuned. Absolutely awesome. I'm buzzing about that. Daz Evers number 99 has finally fallen. Awesome. Bye.